All right, you guys, so I helped y'all out a lot to keep safety in your garage. Right here we have the other mirror, same as the mirror that's here. So we put this mirror right here. Why is this mirror here? For when people pulling forward, you don't hit my cabinets. People, your kids, whoever you got pulling into your garage, you don't want them to damage your cabinets or whatever's right here, okay? Now, we are going to move this direction, and I'm going to show you the 20-inch mirror. So we have the 20-inch mirror right here. Why is this mirror here? This mirror is here so when someone likes to back up, right? When they back up, they can see the front of their car, and then they'll know if they back far enough so the garage won't slam on to their car. Okay, now we got that down pat. We got pulling in forward right there. We got pulling in back. All right, you guys, and this one right here, this one is so your car won't look like this. This is because sometimes our kids might get a little cocky, and when they pull in forward, they might scrape the trim of your garage. Okay? Learn from experience, right? So this one is going to help when you're pulling in. You can actually see the other side of the car, the passenger side, and you'll know if you over far enough to pull inside of the garage. So let's go ahead and get into it. And we're going to hook this up a little bit different. This will not be the traditional on the drywall. We are going to try to put it onto our garage rail. If not, then I will hook it up to the ceiling of this drywall, and then we'll maneuver it and try to do the best we can to aim it forward. That way the person that's driving can actually see the other side of the car. So this is going to be something different, and yeah, it's going to be fun. It says remove plastic before use. All right, so you see yourselves. To hook this up, we're going to take this nut off right here. Comes with 2 washers. We'll leave one on. We put this on like that. All right, just like that. All right, put that nut back on. Now, if you want to hook this up to your drywall, they give you the screws and stuff for it. But we are going to hook it up to my garage rail. And with that, you need your own custom bolts. So this is a bolt that I have. And then I have a nut right here. And then I'm going to hook it up right to the rail. I might just hook up one because I really don't need to hook up everything. So I'm going to find a spot, hook it up, and then I'm going to show y'all. But I have it on one bolt. Now, the cool thing about this, that I have it on one bolt, I can do this if I wanted to go to my left, or if I wanted to go to the right some more so the driver can see it, just like that, okay? So I can go left and right with it. All right, you guys, we just tighten it up. We're good to go. It's on there very, very tight. So they have the rain guard here. If you are outside, you will want your rain guard on the top, okay? But me, since I'm inside, it don't really matter. I'd rather have more visibility up here. All right, you guys, stay right there, and I'm gonna see if it's visible where I'm at. All right, you guys, it's time to put it to the test. I can see it, you guys. No excuses. No excuses. I could use a bigger mirror. I could use a bigger mirror, but this 12-inch mirror is good enough. All right. See, I can see. I will not scrape the garage now. I can actually see everything. Okay, now, all right. So I did not scrape the garage. Y'all see I backed up. I can see the car. We are good to go. All right, you guys, so if you don't want your car looking like my car a few weeks ago where my son, he ran right into the side trim of the garage, definitely do this rig right here. You will save your garage. Yeah, so I'll lift y'all up a little bit more so y'all can see, and then I'll close out the review. Hopefully y'all can see. I got y'all in reverse, all right? But I have one bolt in there, okay? It's hooked up by one bolt. That's it. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.